Hi everyone, this is for the newbies. This is a series of instructional videos I'm creating for you guys. In this instructional video, I am going to demonstrate how to create a blog with videos and links. So you're here at your home page. You click dashboard. From here, you'll see all these different buttons. If you want to create a new blog, you would press this button. If you want to create a post within a blog, in this case I wanted to create a new post, so I'm actually going to post this live soon, so I'm going to go ahead and create new post, and then from here I am going to write a few things about my blog. Here you can change the different font sizes. I choose a 10 of 12 or 14 font size. You can change the different fonts, and then also the font color. If you wanted to do a list, bullet points, or if you wanted to align your text and your blog to the right, center, or to the left. Here, if you want to add a strike through your text. If you want to underline something, italicize or bold something. This one is for emotions, and then I'll go over these other things with you. So in this instance, I'm going to go ahead and just write this out really quick. Now, what's important about this is you would need to insert the $sign. This $sign is very important because this is where the paid section starts. So I will insert that there. Basically, that $sign is representing this read more. So anytime someone clicks read more, where the $sign is at, that is when the algorithms start timing, and that is when you start getting paid. You get paid off your blog from the amount of time people spend on your blogs. So again, that read more is basically where you put this $sign. So this is where I'm putting my $sign. And then I've already created a video here. So I'm going to go ahead. Make sure that you show enough of your blog post that people want to click on read more and want to read more of your posts. So here is what I'm doing. In order to insert a YouTube video, so I'm going to go ahead, go back here. I already have this video that I wanted. And so all you have to do for the YouTube video is click the share button, copy this link. So you would right click, say copy, then you would go back to your blog. Here is where you insert your embedded media. So you'd click that button, right click and say paste, and then you would also if you wanted to also make it so this video automatically plays, you would also enter and autoplay equals 1, and then you just go ahead and say insert. And so now when you save this, your video will pop up. Also, I'm also going to link this blog to another blog that I have. So what you do here is type in whatever text you want. So I'm going to go back to the blog that I want to link to. which is actually this blog that I've already created. I'm going to copy, then I'm going to go back to my blog. I'm going to highlight this is where I actually want people to click on. Highlight it, and up here where it says insert edit link, go ahead and press that button. Paste, and then say insert. And so now anytime anybody presses this link button, it will go to that post. So now we're going to go ahead and save this. Give your blog your blog post an interesting title, one that people will want to read. And this is where you put in the search terms. This is very important. Make sure that it's relevant to your post, and use all 6 boxes if you can. This determines how your blog is going to be seen and when people enter search terms. So I'm going to go ahead and enter some search terms. And also, as you can see, when you start typing things, it gives you a list of popular search terms that people have already used. I would try using those search terms. I'm going to give this blog a description. This will also determine what is going to be put into your ad. When I am satisfied with everything, I would hit the word publish. If you choose to link to Facebook or Twitter, you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, there it goes, and your blog has been posted. This is where another pop-up box will appear on creating an ad, in which I'm going to go ahead and create. So now it's saying that it's been posted on the web and how much you want to invest in your ad. So I am going to actually do an ad for this. So here is where a lot of people need to be aware of when they're creating their ads. Someone is taking a look at it. Make sure you try to fix this, fix your ads as best as possible, so it doesn't take as much time for other people to check your ads. So here you want to give your ad title. Make sure that it's not cut off. So as you can see, this got cut off. So I'm going to go ahead. See. I'm going to go ahead and say video on investing. I'm going to change my title to that, and I'm going to keep this description the same. Here's a video instruction manual on the new investing feature. Learn how to invest the right way. If you choose to change your image which is going to be the picture where of your ad, you can go ahead and do that here and choose the file. Otherwise, you would say build my ad. Again, a list of tag words are going to pop up. This is where you choose to choose your search terms. I'm going to keep this the same and say target my ad. From here, basically it's letting you know that if you want the knowledge investors to basically fund your ad, you can go ahead and press 00. If you want to choose to fund your own ad, you would put in an amount. In my case, I'm going to want to do my own. So I'm going to put in $10 and launch and basically fund my own ad. So now it's building my ad. So now this tells me that I don't have any money in my Fanbox bank. So in this instance, I would want the knowledge investors to fund it. And so, yeah. So then you hit submit, and then that's it. You'd go ahead and look at everything. If you want to do some last minute changes, do continuous. If you want to change the campaign name, the daily budget, whatever the funding source, after that's done, you hit confirm. And then there you go. You've basically built your ad, and now it's waiting for approval. So that's about it for creating blogs and ads.